Alright guys, so we just got here. We're gonna walk down to the waterfall. Alright guys, so we're at the waterfall right now. There's like a smaller one and then a really bigger one over there. Alright guys, so we didn't catch anything here. We're gonna move to a different spot and see if we can catch something.
Alright guys, we just caught this huge creek chub. First fish of the day. See if we can catch some more. Alright guys, second creek chub. These creek chubs have been pretty big. We're see if we can catch a bass. Alright guys, Matt just caught a bullhead. That's our third fish of the day.
Alright guys, we got another creek chub. That's the fourth fish of the day.
Guys, I just got a carp out of the creek. Found it, guys. Alright, we're gonna release him now.